Transparent objects let light pass through them, while opaque objects absorb it. To explain this phenomenon, we must understand how the particles of light, photons, are absorbed. The atoms and molecules in materials are capable of absorbing photons. The absorbed photon excites the particles. An electron in the atom jumps to a higher energy state. When the electron releases a photon of the same wavelength as the absorbed photon, it jumps back to the ground state. The released photon then excites another atom, and the process goes on. That is, photons are trapped inside opaque materials. Particles cannot be excited by photons of any color. Certain atoms and molecules can absorb photons of several colors, so materials composed of such particles are opaque. The particles in transparent materials, however, do not absorb light. They allow photons to pass through them. If a material only absorbs photons of a certain color, while allowing photons of other colors to pass through, the light that passes through the material will have a different color. This phenomenon is used in color filters. For example, if a material absorbs blue light but allows red and green light to pass through, it will produce yellow light when it is illuminated by white light. Like visible light, X radiation is a form of electromagnetic radiation. Its wavelength, however, is much shorter. Some of the tissues in the human body are transparent for X-rays, while others, bone tissue for example, absorb X radiation. This phenomenon makes it possible to create images of the internal structure of the body with X-ray machines.